This is a drainage job that we're finishing up in Wheaton. They used to have massive flooding all throughout their backyard. You can see all the low points. What we're installing is a French drain here, all through the low points. And then everything is pitched down to this corner and then out to the front. You can see that there's catch basins here at the bottom to collect all the water and then all the clean gravel through here. And we'll shave those down and put caps on them. And we're all done with the grade. And you can see what the trench looks like. We put a fabric around a really, really hard, rigid pipe. Some things that we have to go around. We'll have to go around the sprinklers, the cables. It has a pool too, so then that makes it a little bit more difficult. You can see for me in there, installing all the 3/4 clean gravel, and it's really important that it's clean, so then none of the fines get into the drainage system. But the gravel is going to also provide a lot of stability, so there's no mushy areas. Really happy with how this is turning out.